Amazon's intellectual property IP policy protects creators and ensures customer trust and fair competition in the Amazon store. There are three main types of IP rights: copyrights, trademarks, and patents. Copyrights protect a wide range of creative works, such as text-based content, visual media, and audio content. When creating product detail pages, you can freely use content you create. However, using content created by others requires documented permission from the rights owner. Copying protected works without permission, even by changing the format from a book to a digital file, for example, still violates the copyright holder's rights. Next, trademarks protect unique identifiers that distinguish a company's products or services, such as words like taglines and slogans, symbols, logos, or designs. When listing products that work with trademarked brands, you can state that your product is compatible with a branded product, but you cannot claim similarity to that brand's products. For instance, you cannot list a tablet or e-reader with the phrase similar to Kindle if it isn't an actual Kindle e-reader. When mentioning compatibility, use this format: your brand name, product compatible with, trademarked brand. Selling counterfeit products also violates trademark rights. Always source products from reliable and authentic suppliers and verify the authenticity of products before listing. For example, selling a fake handbag labeled as a genuine brand violates that brand's trademark rights. Even when selling authentic products, keep the manufacturer's original packaging and don't alter it in order to avoid authenticity concerns. Finally, a patent is an IP right granted to inventors. Patent owners have the right to exclude others from making, using, offering to sell, selling, or importing the invention for a certain period of time. To maintain compliance, work with suppliers who can provide their authorization to produce or sell products. Keep comprehensive documentation, including invoices and authorization letters. Research existing IP rights in your target markets before listing products. If you're uncertain about potential infringements, consult legal counsel and verify compliance through official governing body websites. If you receive an IP policy notification, it's important to address it promptly. To view your account alerts and notifications in Seller Central, hover over the Performance tab in the main menu. From there, select either Performance Notifications to see a list of alerts related to your account, or Account Health to see compliance notifications under Policy Compliance section. To respond to violations, select the notification and follow the provided instructions. You may need to correct product details, update pricing, or take other specific actions. If you believe you haven't violated the policy, you have three options. First is to appeal. You can request reinstatement by correcting listings to comply with IP policies. No documentation like invoices or authorization letters are needed. Second is to dispute. You can challenge an incorrectly placed IP violation by providing evidence such as letters of authorization or licensing agreements. Third is to acknowledge. You can acknowledge the violation, agree not to modify the listings, and delete them. Submit appeals through Seller Central by selecting the policy violation and clicking Submit Appeal. Upload required documents and confirm that they meet Amazon's requirements. Amazon will review your submission and may verify information with your supplier while maintaining confidentiality. If approved, your listing will be reinstated immediately. Multiple IP infringement notices may lead to account deactivation, requiring a plan of action (POA) for reinstatement. Stay proactive by regularly checking your account health dashboard and keeping current with IP policies. For more guidance, visit the Intellectual Property for Rights Owners Help page in Seller Central, or consult with your local IP legal professionals.